Hello, today I will talk of Tantra. What means Tantra really? In Sanskrit, when we read the Sanskrit book, we can see that Tantra means frame, link, unity. It's not because we go in all part that it's a sexual part. It's not at all a sexual part. Tantra talk in the same level of the head, of the hands, of the sex. It's to find the unity, to permit this, and not something else. That it's a problem, because in many parts in internet, we find Tantra equal sex. It's not that. Tantra, it's unity. Tantra, it's frame. And it's important to know that, because it's this that we will work in the group of Cocoon this summer. We will work on the unity to find all part of you, to find all part of us, and not to have a shame in a part and not in another, to judge a part and to love another. All parts of her are sacred. All parts of us are beautiful when we'll see without shame. That is important. And Tantra means link, but not only the link, not all the part of the body. Tantra is the frame of body, heart and soul. The free level of the being. We unify the body, okay, without, but we link also with the emotional part, with the heart part, because that is important. We are not only a body, we are also a being expressing the life by the emotional part. And when we start to be linked in these two parts, and we are we are easy in this, we can open the mind much more to feel this unity with around all, with the universe, with the universal. We feel the unity with the trees, with the animals, with the stone, with all around us. We are inside the universe, and we are linked with all. We are linked with the season, we are linked with the wind, we are linked with all. That is Tantra. It's to find this unity. And if I have something to add, it's the same in the shamanic life. The shaman is linked with all around him, with all the life around, all the animals, the bees, the butterfly, the tiger, all. And all is in the middle of all, is a part of this. And that it's important. And Tantra and shamanism, it's the same, not in the same part, but it's the same to find this unity that we need, to be linked with the all. Yes, And I wanted to express that it's really beautiful and important when we feel this link, because we feel we are connected with the life, and at this life we feel that my life, wow, is nourished by all, and I feel the joy because I don't feel to be alone, to be separate. I feel that to be in the middle of the universe, and we can talk with all the universe. And in this workshop we will do many things to feel this link with all, with the universe, with the planet, with the stars, with all that it's inside the ground, because it's the same. When we go inside the ground, we go in the same times inside ourselves. We go deeply in this. And at this time, we find, as in the sky, more answers. If we are not linked, if we are alone, where we can find the answer of the life? And the problem also, if Tantra and shamanism are not linked, when I do Tantra, very often I do something really high in the mind, in the opening of consciousness. I try to be in this. I do silence sometimes to find my unity, to find me, and to do the silence, to listen all that the life can say to me. But if I am only on my head, only on my mind, I am sure that the answers are true. Usually, very often, the answer from the mind is that I have learned at school, in the family, in the society, that I have registered inside. And I answer from that. And I am searching the answer outside, from a guru, from a master. But I don't search inside me. Because inside, I have all the answer inside. All. Because I am a part of the universe, but I am the universe. And all the answers are inside me. And it's for that it's important to go, to work with the shamanism. Because in the shamanism, we go in the roots. We go to take the roots, to feel. And when I take my roots, I incarnate me. I go in the incarnation. I go in the reality. Yes, my body, it's a reality. It's in real. It's not something immaterial. And when I work with the shamanism, I go in this. It's not something in the hair. It's something in the roots. And all that I can feel at this time, it's linked, yes, all my spiritual part, it's linked with that I feel. And at this time, only at this time, it's true. It's not true. If it's only something from other, I can be manipulated by many things. If I don't feel, if it's not real for me. I can be manipulated. We can see in many parts in the world, in politics, in different parts, to be manipulated it's easy. If I am not in my roots. And the shamanism. Give these roots to be sure that we feel, that we think, and if it's linked with that I feel, it's a reality. We materialize. We have materialized the life when we are incarnate. This energy of the life go in the material. And we are in life with a body, material body, physical body. It's for that it's really important to work with both. And at this time, when the link of the mind with the first chakra, with the roots, are really linked, we are in unity. And we are not in a kind of guilty when we have something in conflict inside us. When I have the conflict, what I think, what I judge that is good or not, and if I feel something different, I am in conflict inside me. I feel something, and I judge that I feel. I am in conflict. If also I do something that I feel, after I feel guilty, it's because I have a conflict. Because something is not clear inside me. What is just for me? And we will work on this to feel the unity inside, to see what is just, to give the balance between that I have in the mind, between that I have learned, between that I have received from the rule of the society, and we know that the rule of the society are different in different society. It's not the same. Where is just? And it's just when I feel the link between that the society says this and I feel the same. I am in accord with myself. And we will work in this workshop to find this unity, body, heart and soul. At this time, we are quiet inside. We are open. Not only open mind, we are open in all. We have the heart open. We are open in the humanity. We are not in fear. Because also if we don't feel that it's in front of us, we can be in fear because it's strange in front. If we feel, if it's strange, this strange, it's okay or not. If we feel the love, why to be in fear? If we feel something different, yes, it's okay. But the feeling, it's the truth in the relation with somebody, with the earth, with all. And it's that I want to give you, to communicate through the shamanism and the tantra. But only this, it's a word also. I want also to say it's much more. Because Tantra, okay, it's a beautiful word. But when you will touch, at this time you will enter inside a touch with presence inside, you will learn something much more beautiful. Because at this time, you will be the channel of the life. And the life teach you inside more than you have in the mind. More than I have in the mind. At this time, really, you will open your consciousness. And you will be open. Thank you for this.